The U.S. dollar rallies to a three-month high this Thursday as the euro tanks following the latest ECB meeting. The central bank scaled back on its bond buying while leaving rates unchanged. And gold is under pressure again, but could the metal be making a comeback? Joining us now is Blue Line Futures President Bill Baruch. Bill, welcome back.
Thank you for having me.
So give us a play-by-play here. What's happening in the gold market post-ECB? Can the bulls still make a comeback?
Gold's moving into what we have as a four-star support level at 1263 to 1269. This also aligns with the 200-day moving average. I think there's a lot of support long-term in this level, but gold is not dead. If it closes below here, I will be worried. We have U.S. GDP right around the corner, as well as a Fed meeting next week. So I think we'll continue to see a lot of volatility. I think gold has a lot of value in this level right here, right now.
So, Bill, why aren't buyers, though, stepping in at these lower prices? Are they just waiting for a better entry point?
I just think there's a little bit of fear to step in, when you see such volatility in the currency market. And not to mention, with the dollar, as you said, the dollar pushing higher is also, supporting those fears of buying gold. I think the dollar is getting to a little bit of a no man's land. It's above the 100-day moving average, as well as another resistance level at 94 that I've been eyeing. So as long as it stays up there, there really is a lot of gravitational pull higher actually in the dollar. So I think you could just sit back and kind of wait for gold to settle in, and you don't need to pick a falling knife. But you look for this support level in gold, ultimately to consolidate for a day, look for U.S. GDP tomorrow, how that comes in, and I think we'll find a lot of value. But ultimately what I'm eyeing too is getting past this Fed meeting. I'm looking for the dollar to top out after next week's Fed meeting. I'm looking for the U.S. Treasuries, the prices to bottom after next week's Fed meeting, and I think gold will do the same.
Bill, the star of the metal space might just be palladium, nearing, well, it's at 960 right now. It wants to hit the $1,000 mark. Its rally has been incredible. The price has jumped 42% in 2017, one of the most among metals. How do you see palladium here?
Palladium has been one of those just kind of jaw-dropping moves in 2016. At one point, it was twice. It was up 2 times on the year, and it's run into this $1,000 barrier. It's the highest since 2001, and I think ultimately, a lot of the base metals in general are moving higher just because of a better global economy. We saw the second test into the $1,000 when we had some better Chinese data. Copper had a really great day that as well. But both of those contracts stalled out, and they're both sort of consolidating lower. I think palladium has been very constructive over the last week to two. After it fell back a little bit, I wouldn't be surprised to see another test up there, and third time potentially being the charm. But also a key driver here, I think, is the dollar. And I am a long-term bear of the dollar. Though I'm not selling the dollar right now, I think the dollar will top out over the next week to two, and I think that will be another catalyst that could support a metal like palladium.
All right, Bill Baruch, good thoughts. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
And thank you for watching. We'll be back tomorrow on Kitco News.